Do you want to know how you can siphon your competitors' traffic and then make this traffic your very own in 3 simple steps? Generate highly targeted, highly converting, super cheap traffic. It's perfectly legal and the results are amazing. If you are really serious about making money online, you really do need this clever new invention. Stay tuned and watch my review so that you will fully understand what this product's all about and what it can do for you. Make sure to subscribe and ring my bell so as to keep up to date with my latest reviews and 3 bonuses. Hi guys, Mark Gossage here of markgossage.com. Welcome to my Pixley Pro product review video. Pixley Pro is all about retargeting your competitors' traffic. The software allows you to simply enter your competitor's URL, add the Pixley Pro call to action software, and then the software will kick into action and target the traffic from that website, blog, or video. This really is the ultimate legal competitor spying software that makes viral marketing campaigns that will earn you big affiliate commissions from unlimited 1 to 3 cent clicks. Pixley Pro will make retargeting easier, cheaper and more powerful by adding an easy to use viral aspect to snowball your traffic results. Why wait and wait for traffic to come to you? Why not take your website to them? If you have tried paid traffic from Facebook, Twitter or anywhere else, you will know just how expensive high quality traffic that converts costs. It's well known in marketing circles it takes an average of 7 times for your visitor to see an ad before becoming your customer. So if you are not retargeting, it's costing you more than just your ad spend. Your ad spend is probably just warming up your visitor for your competitor. You're simply handing them the sale, your profits and your business. But do this right and take advantage of retargeting their visitors now for pennies on the dollar. If you have tried retargeting before with Facebook or similar, you will probably have found that your ad spend was still too high, or it was impossible to install their pixel code on every page that you want to retarget. Yes, it can be a little confusing and frustrating. Also, you even have to have a website in the first place. If you are sending any type of traffic to an affiliate promotion, the second they click off that page, they are gone to you forever. You then have to do the work all over again or pay again and again. Simply using Facebook isn't going to cut it. Sure, you'll probably get a few clicks, but to get noticed you'll need more than a few visitors from Facebook. Also, you'll find it's near impossible to scale, as you'll need to make new pages, add the pixel code to every page, and then get retargeted traffic from more places than just Facebook. You'll soon realise that it just isn't worth the time and effort and the extra dollars spent. Pixley Pro is the answer. It will get you a huge audience without any of these problems. Pixley Pro will let you easily add your retargeting pixel to 6 of the internet's top sources of traffic at the cheapest prices possible, so that you can tap into highly profitable penny clicks. The name of these top sites is Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, Twitter, Quora, Pinterest. I mentioned earlier that you didn't need a website or to install a piece of pixel code to every page of your website, right? Well, let me explain that a bit better so that you'll understand just how easy this is, as this is where the real magic starts. You'll need to set up your account and then you'll be able to hijack any link online. It's fully hosted and will work with any page online, whether it's a competitor's website, their posts, videos, or even product pages. Affiliate links on any network in any niche and for any product, even your own web pages, blog posts, social media shares, etc, etc. Pixley Pro is fully hosted and will work on any page online. It will add a call to action to any viral content anywhere online. This really is a powerful tool. Simply take any website link that you find online, choose what you want to happen when people go to that link, and make a button, opt-in form, or banner display on any page. Then share like you normally would do with a friend on Facebook, to your email list, or on your YouTube channel. Whatever you do is perfect, as the software will share whatever you wanted to happen, and instead of losing anyone that clicked off your page without clicking your link, you can now reconnect with them and their friends, as well as anyone else who is interested in your content. Previously, you were unable to get access to the person who shares your posts, or the person who shares that post, or all of those people who then go and share those posts. Now you can tap into a massive audience that continues to grow like wildfire. Make sure to get in now at the lowest possible price and get ready to grab your top quality 100% viral traffic from the leading social networks. Effortlessly convert warm audiences into fresh leads, buyers and profits. Even siphon premium traffic from high authority blogs direct to your own offers without a large ad budget, technical skills, or even a website. And please realise that once this promotion is over, this will be going on to a monthly spend and not a one-off. At the moment, it's a one-off, one-time payment. So get in now. Click on the link below and get in now. I'm going to continue with my review, but time is really of the essence. So click on the link below the video and make sure to grab everything before the time runs out, as once this launch is over, the cost of Pixley Pro will be monthly. So if you want high quality traffic that converts for pennies on the dollar, make sure that you make the right choice now and purchase Pixley Pro. Remember, my big bonus package is waiting in the download area for you as soon as you complete your purchase. You'll also get all of the vendors bonuses, which are bonus 1, a live coaching call where you will have shown how to rank any website, blog, store or video on Google's page 1 within 24 hours or less. This is a ninja method that is yet unknown in the marketplace, so prepare to be amazed. Complete with live case studies to bring the system to life. This is not to be missed, and its value is $497. Bonus 2 is the instant content generator. This software creates tons of quality articles that will boost traffic to your site. They are automatically SEO optimized and will generate heaps of backlinks to any blog store or video. Just choose your keyword and press go. Value $497. Bonus 3, Sales Ninja Pro. This gives you live scarcity on steroids. This software will ensure that your sales go through the roof by applying scarcity counters to your products. This is value $97. Bonus 4, Keyword Generator Pro. The best ways to get the highest SEO rankings is to have the best keywords. This software pulls the hottest search terms from Google, Bing, Yahoo, YouTube, Amazon and eBay. Just key your search term and watch the magic happen before your very eyes. Valued at $147. Bonus 5, Conversion Genie. Create multiple pop-ups using this powerful software, sliding, lightbox or fixed. Just choose your pop-up and press publish. It really is that simple with this bonus. This will transform your conversions and sales and is valued at $147. So all in all, very good bonuses from the vendor. And as I said earlier, my bonus page is full of goodies. Simply click on the link down below this video, that's down there below this video, and make sure you check out my bonus page, and also click on the link there to ensure that one, you get Pixley Pro at this low of one-time offer, and you also get all of my bonuses waiting for you in the download area. So make sure to like this review and subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss out on my latest and greatest reviews. Thank you for watching. This is Mark Gossage signing out. Hope to see you in my next review video. Bye for now. Bye.